Yo, look at my hair, like, bruh, not fire at all, bruh. Look at my side. I definitely gotta make something happen right now. Time for a cut, bruh. Let's get to it. Roll camera.
Enlightened creature here, ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer.
What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, the head well connoisseur, street well lover, straight like that. Y'all know how that goes, man. Welcome to my channel, Coolin' with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion, all in the same sentence. Now today I'm about to get straight to it. Listen, this is about me getting my hair cut because I told y'all I wanted to show y'all how it looks when I go get my hair cut. Plus, I wanted to show y'all how it really looks to be in the ugly stage. A lot of people show you their hair is twisted up already, retwisted, and then they just say the ugly stage is when their hair is just short and it doesn't look good, like how long they want it. Really, the ugly stage is this right here, when your hair is like puffed up, the new growth is coming in and everything. This is the stage that you actually do want. It doesn't mean that you need to immediately get your hair twisted or anything like that. Not at all. So when you get that new growth, please do not immediately go get your hair retwisted. You do not need to do that. You need to let your hair mature and set in, because if you get that little puff that come in, like your new growth and everything, and you immediately retwist it, that's when thinning out starts. So let it grow some more. Give it maybe a few more weeks when you see this, maybe 2 or 3 more weeks. So what I'm about to do to get out of this ugly stage, I'm finna trim up this beard. I'm finna go get this hair cut real quick, and we're about to show you how it looks to go from ugly stage looking good as hell. Let's get right to it. Y'all know how we do it. Roll camera. All right, y'all, so I'm in the shop. My barber, Big Aaron Ward, you know, Aaron Ward the barber. I'll put his name that should be popping right here so y'all can follow him on his IG page and y'all can check out how he be styling me up and everybody else, because he is fire. But you see how I'm looking bogus, and y'all see I'm in this ugly stage, so he finna jazz it up and make me look even better and stop me from looking so ugly. You feel me? So let's get to it. Y'all know how we do it. Roll camera. What's good, YouTube? I am back, man. What's going on, camera rolling squad? As y'all can see, I am all cleaned up now, man. It's a lot of changes that I had got from Aaron the barber, man. Shout out to A Ward the barber, man. He did me some justice, man. I appreciate that guy. As y'all can see, man, y'all can see looking at the side, man, I'm all good and ready to go, man. I cut off the beard, man. It just shows you, like, you can go from that ugly stage to still looking good as long as you maintain your hair. Like I said, first let me take these glasses off. I had these on for a while, but sorry about that. Don't worry about that. My eyes, they gotta adjust, but still. Like I said, man, you could go from that ugly stage even if your hair is looking like crazy and frizzy. At the time that we standing in now, crazy hair is all good as long as you maintaining it anyway. So like you won't be looking crazy anywhere it go, because like I said, this whole style and fashion with hair, this age that we in, the crazier your hair is, you still all good. Like, it just as long as you maintain your hair. So with the locks that we got going on right now, with you trying to get locks in your hair freezing up, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to freak out about it. Go ahead and go to the barber shop, get your bald fade on the side, or you get a taper or fade, however you want to do it. You could bring it down a little lower, or you could be like me and you could have a bald fade on the side and you'll still be able to look good at the same time. And with me, as y'all see, usually I have the facial hair that's growing and everything, but I just kept it with the chin strap and I kept the goatee going, you know what I mean? So I had to cut it off because it's the summertime, it's hot, skin sometimes can't get irritated and everything like that. So I shaved it off just to get a little cooler, and I want to do a little facial experimentation, make sure my skin is getting better and better, and making sure that my skin is busting, you feel me? Just to give y'all a look real quick, y'all can see that my hair is still, even though it's still frizzy on the sides and everything, and the hair is getting all crazy and frizzy and all like that, I still look good. So I'm gonna give y'all a look from the left and right side in front of you, as y'all see right now. So let's just get to it, man. There, go on this side, boom, that's the right side. All right, looking on the front. So I should be straight, right? Got the mustache, got the beard, the goatee. I'm all looking good. Got everything trimmed down, so I'll be good for this weekend's Complex Con that's going down in Chicago, which I will be recording as well. So I want y'all to stay tuned in that. So if you're into any streetwear, sneaker content, or anything like that, I want you all to join me on my next video that I'll be posting for Complex Con that's going down in Chicago. I got a while to go to get out there, but it's gonna be all good. I don't want y'all to worry about that, but I'm gonna have video set up for y'all. We're gonna get some good content. We're gonna meet up with some good people. We're gonna be buying some good things, so I want y'all to tune in with me, all right? With that being said, man, If you did like this video, please make sure you go ahead and smash on that like button, help your boy channel grow to its fullest potential. And if you are new to this channel, man, I want you to go ahead and smash on that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that like button as well. Now, with that being said, I done held y'all long enough, man. I hope that helped y'all have a view of what that ugly stage looked like and how you can improve that. So I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm your homeboy, Camcorder Banks. I'll get at y'all next time. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at you. Peace.